YouTube. Today we're doing another unboxing. I brought out some cars to compare it to. You guys have any idea what's in the box?
I'm blank.
No.
Not an idea at all.
Nope.
Let me point out over here. If you guys saw my last video, this is what happened. This is a new chassis. My buddy full on into a tree. Caused a lot of breakages. Went to go to repair it. We got a lot of repair parts. I even got the bottom bash bar.
Could it be another Kraton?
Great.
Yeah.
You want to go with that?
I say another Kraton.
Great.
Yeah. But then it would be the Kraton 4S.
I'm gonna have to go with the Kraton 4S. Yeah.
But ain't that broke?
The original chassis was. I was gonna replace this.
And I'll go with the Kraton 4S.
Everybody's in line with the Kraton 4S. Let's take a look. There's a box inside a box inside a box. Everybody was complaining about red cats. This has got 3 boxes. Wow, that'll help out. Got enough RC cars that need a box. Evidently, bitching about boxes, everybody started, hey, throw the box inside the box. Inside the box.
You can remind me of one of those adult within a doll.
Got it from Amy Hobbies. Throw that on there. So, box within a box within a box.
Got a little Russian doll.
An Arrma.
It's an Arrma. It says 4S on that corner.
Right, 4S,
Arrma Kraton.
It also has the Don't Just Bash Blast logo. Also on the corner.
From the bottom by accident. Hopefully it'll be upright when I take this out. Let me know if it's upright. Now this car, I really do look forward to the 4S Kraton. Absolutely.
No.
Absolutely. No?
Oh.
Is it upright?
Yep.
Yep.
There it is. 4S
Perfect.
Kraton. What color is this say on the top? The body.
The body, it's the teal blue one.
Teal blue is the one I got. What do you guys think of the color?
It's a really pretty teal.
It's magnificent.
Let's check out the remote. Already got it. This is the SLT3. This is actually my favorite by Arrma. Other ones has a different one. This is my favorite. I like the fact that this comes with this because I will be using this box. This is obviously a newer car. Has all the upgrades pretty much built into it. And it comes with a little wrench for the, let me show you. If you want to adjust the slipper clutch, because it doesn't have a center diff, it has a front and a rear diff. If you want to adjust the slipper clutch to make it tighter, to make it more of a lock diff versus looser diff, usually I keep it pretty well tight. They usually say turn it and then turn it about an eighth or half a turn back. And that's your little wrench for that. These here are your shock clips to bring the springs down. These are metal shocks, however they're plastic caps. Then you get yourself a manual. Like I was saying before, I ran this full speed into a tree. Basically, he totaled it. I went to replace the parts. I even bought a new chassis, bought new top, shock mounts, shock collars, even bought new shocks. Now I got a lot of extra parts, and I plan on using a lot of parts on this car anyways. It was just smarter for me to buy a new crate. It seems to me, I've seen a lot of YouTube, it was hard to find that chassis. brake. I think this might be a typical thing. Went to RC Mad Labs. Got me a 3mm, so it ain't too heavy, chassis brace. Stop that from happening. A little more weight, I don't think it's going to affect it much. Again, I'm looking forward to this car. It's one of my favorite cars. I never got a chance to drive it. It's a 4S ESC 2400 kV motor compared to the 6S and compared to the 3S line. I mentioned this in my other unboxing. They seem to have combined the two together to make the 4S. So you got the 6S version, the 3S version. I turned this into a 4S version, putting the Max 4S ESC in here. Didn't change out anything else. One of my faves, definitely. This hasn't been run yet, brand new V5. You got the tower-to-tower brace. The 3S does not. The 6S does. All that spectrum firmware motors. This did come with heatsink and a fan. This did. That got that off the 3S. The ESC is a spectrum firmware, however these weren't. And you can see that in the Arrma Kraton. I have the Arrma Kraton out here because the reason why I chose the big rock to compare this to is longer wheelbase compared to this 4S brother, which is the 4S Outcast. It's a shorter wheelbase, so I would compare that to this. However, the Outcast still has the bearing hair brace, and I ordered a couple more that you can add in there to make this more sturdy. So the shocks, these are all metal. These are all plastic. These are half metal, half plastic. Again, you can see how they combine the two into this. Other than running it full speed into anything, I think that it's a pretty durable car. Have to find out. Stay tuned for the video. Hit your notifications, make sure. Comes with two connectors. Other than that, it's all plastic, just like the 3S. And again, I guess I just wanted to point out that they brought that together, and I'm excited to drive it. So again, stay tuned.